Start. It appears that during the investigation, the appellants were arrested, and it is alleged that from their possession, some stolen articles recovered. Full stop. It then appears that test identification parade held in the premises of district jail Bahraich, where appellants were identified by the witnesses, including PW1, 2, 3, and 4. Full stop. It further appears that stolen articles recovered from the possession of appellants were also put on test identification parade, and the same were identified by the witnesses. Full stop. The police, after completing the investigation, submitted charge sheet against all the appellants under sections 396 and 412 of the Indian Penal Code. Full stop. On the basis of aforesaid charge sheet, learned magistrate took cognizance of the offence and later on committed the case to the Court of Sessions as the offence under section 396 and 412 of the IPC are exclusively triable by the Court of Sessions. Full stop. Thereafter, the charges framed against the appellant under sections 396 and 412 of the IPC and the same were explained to them, to which they pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. Full stop. Thereafter, the prosecution examined altogether 7 witnesses, out of whom PW1 and PW2 are witnesses of fact, and they claimed that they identified the appellants during the test identification parade held in jail premises as they were the persons concerned who committed dacoity. Full stop. PW5 is the executive magistrate in whose supervision test identification parade held in the district jail Bahraich. Full stop. PW6 is the investigation officer, whereas PW7 is the police constable who took the appellant to the Bahraich jail after their remand. Full stop. The prosecution also brought on the record various documentary evidence. Full stop. Para. It appears that after considering the arguments and evidences on the record, the learned court concluded that the appellants had committed dacoity in the house of informant and other villagers, in which one person has died. Therefore, appellants committed the offence under section 396 of the IPC, thus convicted the appellants for the said offence. Full stop. However, since the appellants have been convicted under section 396 of the IPC, therefore learned court below not convicted them under section 412 of the IPC. Full stop. The learned trial court sentenced all the appellants to undergo imprisonment for life. Full stop. Against the aforesaid judgment of conviction and order of sentence, present appeal filed. Full stop. While assailing the impugned judgment, learned counsels appearing for the appellants had submitted that admittedly the appellants were arrested on 4/1/1979 and they have been put on test identification parade on 23rd 1979 after more than 2.5 months. Full stop. The prosecution had not given any explanation regarding the said delay. Full stop. Thus, the delay in holding the test identification parade cast a serious doubt on the claim of the witnesses that after the lapse of so many days they were remembering the physical expression of the appellants. Full stop. It is submitted that from perusal of evidence of PW1 to PW4, it appears that at the time of occurrence they were standing outside the house of PW1, whereas the occurrence took place inside the house under the said circumstances. Full stop.